Cute Samira says, you didn't even type. What is it? Rest in peace for Hina's dad. Because cute Samira, I am not a fake person to be only on social media. What I had to do, I did it, and my connection with Hina is in my heart, and I don't need to post anything on social media to prove anything to really silly people like you. So please keep your negativity to yourself and don't bring it here. I am an individual and I take my decisions on a personal level, and what I feel and how I feel, I react accordingly, and I would always do that. And I have her dad in my prayers, I have her in my prayers, and I don't need to prove anything to silly people like you who only live your lives on social media and think just by putting a condolence on social media you are feeling something. That's not true. When you feel, you feel, and when you feel, you reach out to the person. You don't have to prove it to the janta. Understand? God, this just makes me so angry. Anyway, people are so sick. I swear, people are so sick. Let me just address this, by the way. I lost my dad a month and a half ago, okay? And people were so quick to judge, saying, oh, you're already posting stuff and you're already, putting pictures or you're putting dance videos. I'm like, do you people even know what it takes to get over a loss? Do you know that a person doesn't need to sit like this and wonder, oh my God, I'm losing somebody? You don't do that. In Islam, you can't have a sog more than 3 days. You can't cry and be in sadness more than 3 days. You have to move on. You have to live your life. You have to carry on with love of the person that you've lost. So don't you dare, all you people who think that, oh, by posting things on, commenting on social media, that you're going to be like, oh my God, you're out there judging people. Keep your judgments to yourself and let people be the way they want to heal, the way they want to come out of things, the way they want to function. Stop judging people. And I really wanted to keep this light today, but just because of that comment, I'm so upset, because I've heard enough of this shit. I've heard enough of this nonsense where people just want answers and people think you are answerable to them. Nobody's answerable to you. Trolls wanting to comment on people's pages. Mind your own business and let people be, let people heal. And I'm 100% sure people will go out there, अरे अभी तो हुआ है ना, अभी तो अरे शर्म करो यार. Somebody's lost someone, and only we know. People who lose people know how to deal with it, and everyone's healing process is different. Everybody's healing process is different, and you are nobody to judge that. You are nobody to judge someone's life. क्या पहना है, क्या खाया है, क्या सोया है, यही करने आते हो सोशल मीडिया पे. जियो और जीने दो. बेशर्म. Anyway. I just wanted to be happy today, and this is what happens. Anyway, let's keep it light, okay? Syed N0716 says, I like the way Zaid records you while you recite the Quran. I know, it's cute, right? I have the best husband ever. Alhamdulillah. Hi guys, I'm still reading your messages. Jan says, moving on is the toughest thing ever. Don't ever have to reply to people. Your purity shows on your face. Thanks, Jan. So sweet of you. Tell Zaid I love him. Anju Patel. Okay, I will tell him. Ankur says, where did it go? Okay, hold on, guys. I think my connect. I'm sorry, guys. I had to connect to a different Wi-Fi. Okay, sorry, I missed a few messages. Let me just read it. I read Jan's. I really respect you and love you. जिनको कहना है वो कहते रहेंगे. Aisha, so sweet. Thank you. Ankush says, God never changed. Love how you shut people down. You do you. You are hot. Oh, so sweet. Thanks, Ankush. Assalamu alaikum from Norway. Rehan, thank you so much. Raheel, my friend, how are you? Big hug. I hope you're doing well. I love your pictures from Kashmir, by the way. They are panchayati people, says Maiman Adnan. I completely agree. That word is bang on. Panchayati, panchayat. कि तुम्हारे घर में क्या चल रहा है, तुम ऐसे क्यों हो, तुम वैसे क्यों हो. I just want to slap all of them, I swear. I swear, I want to slap everybody who's judgmental. I swear, my God. I'm just on my thing today. I'm just like, so upset. Insha Bazaar says, I don't know if you'll ever read my DMs, but agar yahan par liya comment, you're so strong and make others strong. I love you so much and please remember me in your prayers. That's really sweet. Thank you so much. You are so inspiring, says P. Thakkar. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Jan Kumar says, God smile. I'm smiling now. I'm smiling now, darling. Thank you. You and Zed look very cute together, says Mittal. Thank you very much. Sonali says, please take my name. I just did. You're very pretty, mashallah, says Humaira Muzammil. Thank you very much. Everyone who's sending in love. Roze kaise chal rahe hain, says Rashid. Alhamdulillah, very, very good. पता भी नहीं चल रहा है, you know, कि रमज़ान इतने beautifully गुजर रहा है. Hi from San Francisco, says Lovely. Hi, my sister lives there. My God, I miss her so much. You're such a pure soul, says Sharia. Thank you very much. Everyone who's telling me to ignore people like that, yes, I can ignore them, but then it's just so much. And like, I've been ignoring it for so long. Like every picture that I posted after my dad passed away, there were comments saying, oh, आपके dad को 40 दिन भी नहीं हुए हैं, oh, आपके dad को. And I was like, शर्म नहीं आती तुमको? Like, you're reminding me 20,000 times of how I've lost my father. You don't need to remind me, losers. I already know that. So every day I ignored that, you know, and now when someone else unfortunately has lost a dad and they expect me to put a rest in peace on social media, excuse me, I don't need to do that. To let someone know that I'm there for them. I'm there for her. And she knows that, I'm sure. How dare you judge that? My God. God Encyclopedia says, I cannot believe you're looking this pretty without makeup and filter. Alhamdulillah. I think it is what you are inside, right? If you're inside good, you're going to be good on the outside no matter what you look like. So yeah. And I also feel like the hijab makes you prettier. I don't know. I always feel that. Does anyone else feel that? It's the most beautiful thing. Nikhat, there, I take your name, okay. You looked very good in the green suit. Thank you, Swaleha. Love you, Gaur ma'am. I love you all so much. Thank you so much. Sugandha says, it's hard mentally, but focus on us. We are here for you, G. That's so sweet. Thank you. Thank you, darling. Ankush, big hug. Thank you. Don't cry, love from Brooklyn. Hey, Kia Farhana, that's really sweet. Thank you. You are beautiful inside out. Stop, let people say anything. Arisha, thank you very much. Jan is like fully having a conversation with me. God bless you, Jan. Give my love to your mom. She's a sweetheart. Your dance reels are very cute, says Veda Kevaswani. Thank you very much. You don't answer me, says Bushra. There, I answer you. We miss this unfiltered Gaur, right? Like, I mean, I'm not filtered, but it's just like sometimes you have to keep quiet and be patient and only speak when you have to. And yeah, I mean, it's taken so much patience from me to not speak about so many issues actually that happened in my life in the last 2 months. But I realized that let people judge, let people think what they want, because whether you like it or not, they are going to think what they want. They are going to judge you. They are not going to wonder that, अरे, until and unless उनकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ ऐसा होता है या उनके साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है जहाँ पर वो फंस जाते हैं, and then they'll be like, oh, अच्छा हाँ, उसके साथ भी यही हुआ होगा शायद. I have realized in these 2 months, you know, in my life that हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे अगर लोगों को जज करते हैं ना, वो भी नहीं करना चाहिए. Seriously. किसकी ज़िंदगी में क्या चल रहा है आपको क्या पता यार, कौन किस चीज़ से गुजर रहा है आपको क्या पता, राइट? सो जितने लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं ना, 8,000 लोग, if these 8,000 people actually understand what I'm trying to say, you're going to spread it to others. I request you, don't judge people because you don't know what's happening in their lives. Yeah, you could have an opinion. Yeah, you can just keep it to yourself. But don't go out there trolling people and talking shit about people and assuming that, oh my god, how could you? Tight slap. Anyway. What hijab, what beauty, love from Argentina. Thanks, Tulip. That's really sweet. You're really graceful. Thank you so much, guys. Palash, hi Palash. How are you? All the best for all the great work that you're doing. Let's see if. Okay. My forever favorite says Soumya. Thank you. So sweet. Isha says tight slap, perfect, right? Tight slap to all those rubbish people. If your religion is making you judgmental, then you are just worshipping your ego. I don't know what that means. Gohar api reply de do insha Sid. There you go. Okay, you're the strongest, love from Pakistan. Thank you so much, Sadia. Snow is good. Snow is somewhere around, always around me. I don't know where he is right now, but he's good. Alhamdulillah. Thanks, Jan. You're such a beautiful soul, fan of yours. Sujal, thank you. Okay, so you are inspiration for every woman. That's so sweet, Supriya. That's so nice of you. Thank you so much. Okay, so hey Sahil, how are you? Ramadan Mubarak Gaur, thank you. 2 साल से तो ईद में हम फंसे हुए हैं. Otherwise you would be home. You're beautiful inside out. Thank you, Loveleen. Gau, I love you from Lucknow. Thank you. Sociology with Aditi. Thank you. Okay, so if there are any questions, ask me. I'm here for the next 5 minutes. Anything about how my Ramadan's going or anything about general things in life that you'd like to know, ask me. I'm here for 5 minutes. Hey Sonia, how are you? So nice to see you. Yaksha says, wish you and Zed peace. Thank you so much. I think peace is such an important emotion. Everybody needs to be peaceful, and that's a lovely wish. So thank you so much. Lots of love from Arunachal Pradesh, Anand. So nice. I really want to come. And how is life? Ramadan vlog Dalodi. Are you in Mumbai now? Okay, yeah, I am. I had promised that question and answer thing on my YouTube, which I may be shooting tomorrow. So watch out for that. And Tarawih Parli kya? Faiz Khalik. Well, Tarawih usually 20 rakat hoti hai masjid mein for men and women, but ghar pe I think you can pray 4 or 8 rakats. So I'm trying this year, inshallah. I'm praying Tarawih and not 20 rakats but 4 rakats, and I'm very happy with that, alhamdulillah. Tell us something about your next project. I was shooting one, in fact, before we went into lockdown, and I have another 8 to 10 days of shoot left for that. Can't wait for that show to come out. I have one that's going to release very soon, I think, on a platform, which I will inform you guys soon. Ramadan Mubarak. Everyone's like, Ramadan Mubarak. Big Boss में वापस होगी क्या वापसी होगी क्या मैडम जी? पता नहीं, ये तो आपको कलर्स से पूछना पड़ेगा. You're beautiful inside out. Thank you very much, Shilpi. Looking so beautiful in hijab. Thank you, Samira. Any more questions, guys? Lovely couple, I admire you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Hi from someone said Lahore, Pakistan. Hello. Looking beautiful. Thank you. Let us know about your favorite food for iftar. Okay, so for iftar, I have a lot of fruit. I love, drinking ठंडा शरबत या something like that. बहुत मज़ा आता है मुझे. और and I eat like 2 things, like 2 items. जैसे कि आज मैंने पानी पूरी बनाई थी घर पे, और there was there was maybe one kebab or something like that, one item, and then we eat food directly, because then you're not eating food afterwards again, and then you eat straight at sehri. So that way you're eating like 2 meals a day, which is great. You're not putting on too much no matter what you eat, and you're healthy as well. Okay, so how are you doing sehri? My sehri is good, alhamdulillah. Every day I wake up. In fact, for the last God knows how many years, I wake up for sehri and get my ready for my mom. And this year, mashallah, I'm a married woman, so I'm preparing it for my husband as well. Very, very excited. Wish you a lovely married life. Thank you so much. How many paras of Quran Sharif have you completed? Do you complete in a day? 2. I finish 2 paras in a day, mashallah, with my speed. My mom finishes like a Quran in a day if she has to. But I finish like 2 paras in a day. Reshma says, are you not sleepy? Yes, I am, but I'm trying, like, because of Sehri and everything that happens now, our timings are a little off, so I don't sleep that much. Congratulations for your wedding, says Rudri from Canada. Thank you very much. Please stay covered in Ramzan, you're looking great. Well, again, I don't know about that. Just, again, judgmental, but anyway. Love from Himachal says, Yunjin. No, not Yunjin. Roma Chetna. Hi. You look more pretty in hijab. Thank you. Lots of love from my mother, Aisha. She makes lots of dua for you. That's so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. I think dua is something that everybody needs and everybody needs for the rest of their lives. So if you're praying for me, that's so lovely. I pray for you as well, and may you have a lovely, lovely life, and may your mom have a long life, inshallah. Saying hi from Pakistan. Hi. The messages are going too fast. Everybody joining in from Pakistan. Hello. Everybody joining in from all over the world. Hello. Ashna, hi. Miss you and auntie ke saath iftari. I know, right? Lockdown times, man. I hope you're doing well and your health is wonderful, and I pray that, Ashna, you have a lovely life. You're a beautiful person, and lots of love. Big hug. May your family have a healthy life. Mayur, that's so sweet. Thank you. I wish the same for your family. Ameen. Okay, your wedding video is the most beautiful wedding video I've ever seen. Bardhu. Thank you. That's so wonderful. I always wanted my wedding to be a dream wedding, and it was, by all means, alhamdulillah. I always wanted, will my husband have love in his eyes when he's, watches me walk in for my nikah? And Zaid was crying. So I'm very lucky indeed. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Kabhi Kabhi I still watch Khan Sisters. That's so sweet. That's so lovely. My cat scratches the hell out of me. So sweet. Be careful, but don't irritate the cat. Like, if the cat is irritable, don't go for the cat too much. Just let the cat be. He'll come to you on his own. Love from Kerala, says Livy. Hi, I'm from Bhopal, says Araisha. That's so sweet. Oh, your reel in the fitted black dress was so hot. Vijayata. Thank you. I know that's on 13 million. That's crazy, right? I didn't expect it to be so viral, but it went viral. So, yeah. Guess who shot it? My husband. Okay. Love watching your dance videos with your hubby. That's so sweet. Thanks, princess. Okay, guys. I think that was a long enough live. I love you all. I will put this on my page as well. Honey says you're an inspiration. That's so sweet. Thank you. And as a man, for you to say that, I'm flattered. Thank you. All right, guys. Have a great Ramadan if you're celebrating it. Have a great life if you are not, and you're celebrating some other festival. Have healthy food. Work out. Look after yourself. Look after your parents for sure. And I hope and pray that everyone's dreams do come true, because that's what matters. Make your dreams come true. I pray for each and every one of you. Lots of love, and I'll see you on my next live. Bye. I think I just spat a little. I'm crazy. I'm just too honest. Sorry, guys. Bye. Love.